Welcome back to Luxury Reviews. Today we're spending with the 2026 Acura Integra Type S, the most focused, fastest, and arguably most characterful Integra in the lineup. This isn't a facelifted Econobox dressed up in badging, it's a proper hot compact engineered to pull hard through corners, sink to redline, and still carry 4 people and a weekend's luggage without complaint. Under the hood sits a 2.0-liter VTEC turbocharged 4 that Acura tunes to deliver 320 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque, numbers that put the Integra Type S firmly in sport compact territory and only a hair ahead of its Honda Civic Type R cousin. That power is sent exclusively to the front wheels through a close ratio 6-speed manual and a stout limited slip differential. This is a driver's car first, headline numbers second. On the stopwatch the Type S is brisk. Car and driver measured a 0 to 60 mph run in roughly 5.1 seconds in their tests, and you feel that urgency in every on-ramp pull and mid-corner surge. But the magic isn't just straight-line pace, it's how the package handles the transition from calm commuter to committed canyon car. Big Brembo brakes, summer tires on 19-inch wheels, upgraded suspension tuning and an active adaptive damper setup give the Type S a planted, communicative chassis that rewards smooth inputs and punishes sloppy technique. Acura didn't just graft performance pieces onto an ordinary shell. The Type S wears unique aero bits, a triple exit center exhaust, and a wider, more purposeful stance that visually separates it from lesser Integras. Inside, there's surprisingly luxurious attention to detail for a car in this segment: a 10.2-inch digital driver display, a 9-inch center touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a 16-speaker L Studio 3D audio system that turns daily drives into an immersive experience. Practicality remains a strength. The Integra keeps its liftback silhouette, which means cargo space and rear seat usability are better than many compact sport sedans. That makes the Type S an easier daily driver than more extreme 2-door alternatives. You can be an enthusiast and still live with the car full-time. Acura also made several small but meaningful upgrades for 2026. The base Integra gained a larger standard touchscreen and faster infotainment response, which improves everyday usability and gives the Type S a nicer baseline experience. If you're wondering about efficiency, the EPA numbers for the 2026 Type S weren't final at the time of most early tests, but expect figures similar to prior Type S models. Spirited performance comes at the cost of fuel economy, though highway cruising can still surprise you if you manage the revs. The car's balance, however, is where it shines. It's composed on long trips and alive when provoked. Driving feel. The steering is direct and communicative, with a weight that's satisfying without being tiring. The manual gearbox is one of the highlights: short throws, a positive gate, and a rev match system that helps you hit downshifts cleanly when you're pushing hard. For many enthusiasts, that 6-speed manual is the emotional centerpiece of the Type S experience. On the equipment front, Acura leans into value for the Type S compared with rival performance cars. Standard creature comforts like heated front seats, HUD, and a power driver's seat come in packages that would be optional on other hot compacts. Expect a Type S to land well above the base Integra pricing, but the added tech and premium touches help justify the premium for buyers who want a near-track weapon that doesn't feel Spartan. Car and Driver lists an MSRP in the mid-$50,000 range for the Type S, reflecting that positioning. So what are the compromises? First, front-wheel drive. Torque steer is a reality when you prod the throttle hard out of slow corners. Acura's limited slip diff and chassis tuning reduce it, but physics still plays a role. Second, the Type S leans on summer tire grip and performance brake hardware that creates a sharper ownership profile, tire wear, winter usability than a softer, more comfort-oriented trim. Finally, if you wanted an automatic or all-wheel drive, this isn't the car for you. The Type S remains manual only in FWD, by design. Who is this car for? If you love rev-happy engines, want brilliant chassis feedback, and crave a compact that's equally at home on twisty backroads and weekday commutes, the Integra Type S is an outstanding choice. It blends Acura's premium appointments with Honda's engineering vigor and packs it into a usable, characterful package. If, however, you need winter confidence, an automatic, or purely luxury first priorities, you'll find more suitable options elsewhere. Final verdict in one line: The 2026 Acura Integra Type S is a rare modern car that manages to be thoroughly usable and deeply engaging at the same time, a proper driver's compact with premium polish. If you want visceral smiles per mile and a car that still values mechanical connection, this is one to test drive immediately. If you enjoyed this deep dive from Luxury Reviews, hit subscribe, tap the bell, and let me know in the comments what you want compared next. Integra Type S versus Civic Type R, or maybe a track day session. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.